In today's video, we'll be going over the LEGIRAL deep tissue massage gun, which is super silent, durable, has 20 speeds, and has very strong power as well. I've actually already done the initial unboxing of this and has very good amount of views on it, so I figured I would bring it back since it is a fan favorite. I had a couple of comments down in my original unboxing asking what the individual heads were for and which muscles that they were supposed to be used on directly, and I forgot to actually cover that. I did a full-blown demonstration, but actually forgot to cover the most important thing about the LEGIRAL. So let's go ahead and open up the box and get into today's video. Very sleek carbon fiber looking case. Definitely have been in all of the case since I originally received it. Let's go ahead and check it out. Actually, I think I'm opening it upside down, so I'm gonna... Okay, yep, I was. Right, now since we have the LEGIRAL out, let's go ahead and grab everything out and take it out of its case. I'm even going to grab all of the heads out for us, so bear with me. Alright guys, now since we have the box out of the way, let's go ahead and go over each and every one of the heads and their various uses. This one right here is the U-shaped head, and this one is suitable for neck, spine, and Achilles tendon, your neck and shoulder massager. This one is perfect, and I actually also use it on my wrist as well a little bit. I feel like it helps with the joints in my wrist, so definitely like to use it there as well. Now you can actually see the motion. Turn it on, and then like I said before, we have 20 different speeds. Let's go ahead and turn it on. We'll put it on 10, and then as soon as you place it on the skin, it actually looks wild on camera, but feels absolutely amazing right there. And it's actually very gentle on the wrist and feels amazing. Can even run it up the thumb, which looks wild on camera, doesn't it? Look at that, guys. Wow, that looks so cool. But it feels amazing as well. The inside of my fingers, I feel like it's perfect for those who have arthritis or anything like that as well. But nowhere on the website or anything does it say that that's what this U-shaped head is used for, but that's what I've also been able to use it for. I figured I would share that as well. Now our next head is the ball head right here and right here. Both of them basically have the same exact use, and this one is actually for your back and other muscle groups as well, such as your arms, hips, thighs, calves. This one's basically a general use massage head, and is definitely perfect as well for that general use. We also have the flat head, which is right here. This is used to help shape muscles of the body to relax, soften the dense arms, shoulders, and neck muscle groups as well. And this one really has a good feeling. I'll actually demonstrate this one for you all as well. Let's go ahead and put it in here and turn on the LEGIRAL. This one I'll start off at 6, and you can see it doing its work immediately, and it definitely helps with any tight muscle. You can apply more pressure to it as well. Now let's go ahead and turn it up just a little bit. Well, actually, let's go ahead and max it out. Let's go ahead and go to speed 20. And there we are. And I actually do not want to stop this because it's absolutely amazing and feels great. You can actually see the shock waves coming off of my arm. Definitely working fantastic, and that's on a pretty hard forearm. I'm not gonna lie, my forearm is actually pretty solid, so the fact that it gets that deep and works that well on my forearm is amazing. Now on our next one, we actually have the bullet head, and this one releases trigger points suitable for impacting deep tissues such as meridian joints, palms, and soles. This one is another one that's used for the hands as well, and I can actually take off my gloves and do a small demonstration for you on this as well. Let's go ahead and take that off and plug that in here, and we'll go ahead and turn it on. I forgot, it's not a button, it's actually a touch screen, so you just basically have to put it on there. But can definitely see the motion of my hand. And I'm not going to be editing this at all, so this is actually what it shows. I'm not slowing down the footage, nothing like this. The audio is the same too, I'm just filming it, and that's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and crank it up and see how much work we can tell that's being done. Yep, that's perfect, guys. An amazing tool, definitely for many uses. Each head has multiple uses, and then the LEGIRAL itself as a whole, really a very useful massage gun. And I believe it's only $120 on Amazon. Actually, let me check that out a little bit right quick for us. It is $129.99 on Amazon right now, which I will actually leave a link down in the description where you can purchase that as well, and I will receive a small commission off that to help support my channel, but at no additional cost to you. So that would be greatly appreciated, guys. Now let's go ahead and move on to our next head, which is going to be this one right here. And this one actually acts for your palms and hands and everything, just like the last one, but you can also use it on your abdominal region. I feel like with this little stopper right here, it doesn't have that much heavy impact, but just as the last one, it is perfect on the hand. As you can tell, look at the motion on that. Alright guys, that's amazing. Check out the actual motion on my hand from this one. This tool is absolutely amazing. Definitely enjoy the LEGIRAL, and figured I would go over each and every individual head with you all to give you more of a idea of which muscle groups to use them on. So I had that requested by some of my viewers down in the comment section, so figured I would go ahead and make that video for them. So I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.